Metadata is data or information about data. And with GIS, this is important because we want to understand where this data is coming from and how we can use it. It basically can either travel with the data as a separate file, for example, it can be part of a shapefile, or it can be part of a feature class in ArcGIS. Um, the minimum data that should be included with metadata is some sort of record of the source and citation and the processing that this data went through. And standards-based metadata requires publishing data for clients or organizations. It's just absolutely necessary so they know where it's coming from. So in this example here, for this layer here of this geodatabase feature class of the United States, some of the tags that might be included with this are just kind of descriptive, things that people could quickly search for and find this data. The summary includes where the data is coming from, how the boundaries were drawn, all those sorts of things. And the description would just be what you would state in order to tell someone what this data is about. And the credit here describes who put this data together, which in this case was Esri. So the basic metadata sections that should be considered are the tags, which are once again primarily used for search, summary, information about the purpose of the data, a description, which can be longer and include more information, the credits, which is going to be who created the data or some sort of citation about how that data came to be, any sort of use limitation. Sometimes it's okay to use it if you're not making money off of it, but it's not okay to use people's data if you're planning on selling your maps, and things like appropriate scale range. What range of scale should people be using this data to map at? And then sometimes the bounding box, the coordinates of the edges of the data in the north, south, east, and west direction.